When doing my necklines, I always start at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. Moving on to the sideburns, we're going to start off with our no guard all the way open and create our first guideline. Now with our one guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and create our second guideline and connect the one guard to the half guard. We're going to move on to our gold FX and go at an angle at the back neckline. Moving on to the hairline, we're starting off in the middle and working our way to the left side. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch, just like my C cups. You always want to make sure you're consistently combing and trying to lay down the hair before you line him up. Now we're moving on to the side taper and creating our first guideline with our gold FX. You want to make sure you make this guideline a little bit at a curve, just so it could give the taper a little bit of a burst. Now that we're done balding him out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. We're going to use the lever to soften up this line and remove it completely. Now that our initial guideline is completely removed, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, you're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get ready for the half guard. Before we use the half guard, we're going to go ahead and debulk with our 2 guard all the way open. Now we're heading back to the half guard, removing that initial guideline. Moving on to his front hairline, we're going to go ahead and debulk with the 2 guard all the way open just before we line him up. I always start my hairlines at the middle and work my way to the sides. Heading over to the C-cup area, I'm starting my way off at the bottom and working my way to the top arch, just like my neckline. We're going to start to apply some elegant shave gel and then use our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades to make them as crispy as possible. Moving on to the Turkish Razor and Derby Premium blades, we're going to make him as crispy as possible. We're going to be doing his mustache, eyebrows, and hairline. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, thank you for watching this far into the video. Leave a comment if you did.